Gotta secure the baby. Secure the package. Crank up the car. And let's go. Today was rough, I'm not gonna lie. I will show you guys some back clips about what happened today, but it took a lot for me to figure out how to get this package. And as you guys can see, it is raining. It is raining in the ATL today, okay? Now, in order for me to get this package packaged, I went through a lot today. You know what? But I'm happy because I had Kylie to help me. And you know, your girl is just, I'm making it do what it do. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jylesa. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm very excited because, as you guys know, I have packaged my first sale and I'm so excited. But not only that, I just want to let you guys know that on my channel, I'm going to be doing more vlogs about business and different things like that. I have some other things coming in the works that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I'm very excited about that. And I'm basically going to be taking you guys on my entrepreneurial journey with me. As you guys see before on my channel, I have different videos about different things, but the truth of the matter is that this is where I feel the most comfortable and this is what I like doing. So I'm gonna have more vlogs about business basically on my channel. So in today's vlog, basically what I'm gonna be doing is showing you guys what I went through today to package this doggone package. It was H-E-L-L, it was hard, but you know what? I got through it on a Monday. It's going up on a Monday. But I got the package out, so right now I'm headed to the post office. But before I show you guys me dropping it off to the post office, I'm gonna show you guys what it took for me to get all of this done. Okay? All right. I'll be right back. Yeah.
I'm gonna be helping my mom.
Yeah, she's gonna help me with all of these orders done. Okay, let's put that here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I think that means that it does have any paper.
Probably. Hold on. Let's see. Now we have to pull the dresses and the garments and go ahead and tag them. I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is tag all of these garments so that can kind of like be pre-done and I don't have to do it again. So yeah, let's get to tagging, right? So funny, you guys. I actually used to work at Rainbow in retail and I used to have to tag garments and I was the fastest tagger. And now, fast forward some years and I'm tagging my own garments.
And she's opening her own online
Wait,
boutique.
They can't see you. You gotta come over here. They can't see you. What you say now?
My mom is gonna be opening her online boutique.
Yep. It's crazy where you come from. You go from working for somebody else to go ahead
and just go for working for your own store.
Yeah. Again, anything that could go wrong did. So I'm literally sitting up here trying to install this printer that I thought was supposed to be basically plug and play, but it's not. And my computer needed to update. So now I'm sitting up here waiting on the computer to update, and it's telling me it's gonna take 35 minutes. So I'm about to fix me something to eat and get going, because this right here is a mess. I hope that whatchamacallit saved everything, Shopify, because I literally had to close out everything. But we gonna get this, y'all. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Like this. Just wrap it like that. Catch the bottom. Fold. Fold. I finally figured out how to print the doggone label. So I have the label printed out, and the quality on it to me is crappy. Thank God I did not spend money on this. I have to tell y'all that story another day. But I got it, and it's printed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the package. And I'm done with my first package, you guys. That took me forever. I did not realize how much work that was gonna be. Yeah, I just pulled up at the post office. The struggle is about to be real because it is really raining out here in these streets. I think my umbrella is in the trunk of my car. Y'all, it is pouring down raining. What am I supposed to do with this? Anything that could go wrong today did, I swear. Should I risk it all and just run out there? Y'all, we gonna risk it all. Y'all ready to go with me? We gonna risk it all because I'm not sitting in this car. It's hot and I don't feel like sitting in this car. Trunk, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all ready? I'm not. I'm gonna come back in this car looking like a wet dog. Oh, whoa, whoa. I think I'm just gonna wait. We're not even gonna try to brush this. I'm just gonna wait. We're gonna try this one more again. I got the umbrella. I told y'all I was gonna come out looking like a wet dog. Okay. Let's go in the post office box, people. Okay. Should have just waited till it stopped raining, but no, I had to get this package out today. Oh God. And I got flip-flops on. Like, who was I thinking y'all, look at this. This look like the Nile River. Oh my gosh, my pants about to be wet. Oh my God. Oh my God. I lost my damn flip-flop. I'm done. I'm done for today. I'm done. Okay, let's try this. Okay. All right, you guys. So I have completed my first sale. First package sent off. Yeah, I did that, you guys. I did that. First sale. Okay. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, don't be a stranger. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But thank you guys so much for coming with me on my journey as I open up my online boutique. All right, you guys. So until next time, peace.